Scorpio, Venus softens your usual intensity tonight into something deeply magnetic and genuinely intimate. The power you carried all week finds a gentler expression this Friday. Today is Friday, June 19th, 2026. Welcome to Astro Healing. This week you operated with full strategic power. Today, Venus says it is time to let someone close enough to see beneath that power. Tonight is for depth without defense. In your career, the week closes with a result that confirms your strategic instincts were correct all along. Take quiet satisfaction in that. You do not need to announce your victories. Scorpio, you already know. In love, tonight your magnetism is undeniable and your willingness to be vulnerable is what makes it irresistible. Let someone in tonight. Real intimacy, real honesty. That depth is what Scorpio offers when they finally let their guard down, and tonight is the night for it. Financially, a financial situation that required your sharp instincts this week resolves favorably. Trust that your read on it was accurate. For your health, your body has held intense energy all week. Tonight, release it through something physical and something restful. A long bath, deep stretching, real sleep. Give your nervous system the full reset it has earned. Your spiritual message today, Scorpio, vulnerability is not weakness for you. It is the deepest form of your power. Tonight, use it. Comment Scorpio below and tell me what you are releasing tonight. Hit the like button right now and subscribe with the bell on. See you tomorrow. Take care.